The Smartkeeper link-on is a USB memory drive with a locking function. Insert the link-on into a USB port. Press the lock button to secure it. There are three components to the Smartkeeper key: the open button, the side latch button, and the key header. Before inserting or removing the lock key from Smartkeeper devices, slide the open button all the way forward to close the key header. Slide the open button back slightly to engage the key header, or press the slide latch button to engage the key header. When removing the link-on, the Smartkeeper logo and the link-on and the open button on the lock key must face the same direction. To remove the link-on, insert the lock key and engage key header. While holding the link-on, pull the lock key out to release the lock button. Now slide the open button all the way forward to disengage the key header and the lock key out from the link-on. Remove the lock-on from the USB port.